Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Apple CarPlay to your Mitsubishi Mirage G4. First, ensure your vehicle's infotainment system is compatible with Apple CarPlay. You will need a genuine, MFI-certified USB cable for the best connection. Also, make sure your iPhone is updated to the newest iOS version. Locate the USB port in your Mirage G4, which is typically found in the center console area or dashboard. This initial check ensures a smooth setup process. Once your preparations are complete, connecting is straightforward. Plug one end of your MFI-certified USB cable into your iPhone's charging port. Then, connect the other end of the USB cable directly into the USB port in your Mitsubishi Mirage G4. Unlock your iPhone and follow any on-screen prompts that appear. Finally, on your vehicle's infotainment screen, select the Apple CarPlay icon to launch the interface. You should now see your iPhone apps displayed. Sometimes, you might encounter minor issues. If CarPlay doesn't start, try restarting both your iPhone and your Mirage G4's infotainment system. Always check your USB cable for any signs of damage. A faulty cable is a common culprit. Make sure Siri is enabled on your iPhone, as it is essential for CarPlay to function correctly. Also, confirm that CarPlay is not restricted within your iPhone's screen time settings. These steps resolve most common connection problems. With Apple CarPlay successfully connected, you can now enjoy a wealth of features. Access navigation, your favorite music, and messages directly through your Mirage G4's touchscreen. Use Siri for hands-free control, allowing you to stay focused on the road. The familiar iPhone interface makes using apps in your car intuitive and easy. CarPlay significantly enhances your driving experience by providing convenience and reducing potential distractions. Enjoy your connected journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.